Hello guys, Halloween is right around the corner, and what other way to dress up your little kiddos than an animal print beanie with ears? You can make matching ones for yourself as well. Link to the pattern is in the description below. Start by pinning and piecing the pattern together. Once this is done, cut 2 off the top. One for the headband. Ignore my pattern, I try to use throwaway printed paper to draft patterns. Yours will look completely different. And 4 of the ears. Now match and pin the top darts and sew together. Once this is done, lay them open and pin the ears right sides together and sew just the sides. Turn them inside out. Now take the first top piece and mark the notches where the ears go on the right sides of the fabric. These notches will be on the pattern as well. And pin the ears pointing inside on top of the notches. Now put the second piece on top, right side facing down. Turn them inside out. Now take the headband piece and match the ends together and sew. Now fold the whole band in half and pin together so that it stays together. And now insert the beanie in the middle, pinning the band to the right side of the beanie. Make sure the seam of the band sits at the center back of the beanie. Sew and turn inside out. There you have it, a cute animal print beanie with ears. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know how you like this tutorial. What else would you like me to sew? See you later!